here a of x1 comma y1. Here a of x1 comma y1 is the point and m is the slope over here. M is represents the slope. So we need to find a equation of a straight line with one point and the slope can be represented as first of all I need to find a slope of AP. Slope of AP. Slope of AP is nothing but a equal to x1 y1 and p is nothing but x comma y. So I'm going to write the slope formula. The slope formula is represented as y minus y1 by x minus x1. But already we know that the slope is denoted with m. So substitute m over here. M equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1. Taking cross multiplication, we are going to get y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is nothing but the equation of a straight line when one point is given with slope m. By using this formula, we are going to solve a small problem over here, that find equation of a line where m equal to 2 which passes through 1 comma 3. So here we need to find an equation of a line where slope is given and a point is given, and this point is represented with x1 y1 and slope is represented with m equal to 2. I'm going to take an equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y, what is y1? Already we know that given is 3. M is 2 over here. X minus x1 is 1 over there. Y minus 3 which is equal to 2 into x is 2x minus 2. Here x is a positive term, so I am taking all the term to the right side. That is nothing but 2x minus y minus goes to plus 3, here minus 2 equal to 0. It becomes 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line when one point is given with slope m. This is the first formula to find the equation of a straight line when a point and slope is given. Next we will go for the next term where 2 points are given over here. We can find a straight line when 2 points are given. When 2 points are given, the 2 points, we are going to apply the same formula, that is nothing but the slope equation with same axis, which makes an angle theta over here. I'm going to plot at 2 points over here. One is the A point, A x1 y1, and the other point B of x2 y2. Now, slope of AB. I'm going to find a slope of AB, which is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. The slope of 2 points is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And I am going to plot another point on the same line, that is nothing but P over here, which is nothing but x comma y. I am going to find a slope of AP. What is the slope of AP? The points are nothing but x1, y1 and also x comma y. The point is y minus y1 by x minus x1. Here, the slope of AB is equal to slope of AB. Both the slope are equal. That implies slope of AB is equal to slope of AB. So, I am going to equate both the formulas. What is the first formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here comes y minus y1 by x minus x1. Taking the cross multiplication again, over we are going to get y minus y1 equal to, take x minus x1 to the other side, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the other formula to find the slope of equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. By seeing this formula, we also get an idea that it can be represented with the first formula. What is the first formula? When one point is given, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, isn't it? The first formula is y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. Compare these two formulas. We are going to find m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That means this is the slope formula. So by taking a 2 points, we can also find the equation of a straight line by taking 2 points. One is x1 y1 and other one is x2 y2. By using the same with 1 point and also slope also, we can find the equation of a straight line. Now I'm going to solve a small problem on 2 points. When 2 points are given over here, the 2 points are nothing but let a of 1 comma 2, b of 2 comma 3. Find the equation of a straight line when 2 points are given. I'm comparing with the formula. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now y minus y1. What is the y1 over here? 2 equal to y2. What is y2? 3 minus y1 is 2 over here. Next x2 is nothing but x2 is also 2 minus x1 is 1. X minus x1 is 1 again. So y minus 2 equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. By 2 minus 1 is 1 again. X minus 1. It is nothing but y minus 2 equal to x minus 1. Taking all term to the other side, we are going to get x minus y plus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. And the equation becomes x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line when 2 points are given over here. The same form, if 1 point is given and the slope is given also, we can find the equation of a straight line. When 2 points are given also, we can find a straight line by using a different formula. Now, I am going to take a other equation, that is nothing but the slope intercept form.